In this video, I am going to go over how to complete the first assignment associated with the investing simulation that you'll be participating in this summer. So first, I'm going to click on the worksheet here that we're looking at. You'll make a copy to your Google Drive, and then this ultimately will be uploaded. And here we see the worksheet. So what you're going to want to do to complete this worksheet, as I scroll down here, you're going to be thinking of 10 different products, brands, or companies that you love. Okay, we're going to use Yahoo Finance as our source to do our research. So I'm going to click on Yahoo Finance, and I'm going to type in the search bar Starbucks. Okay, so as you work through this assignment, think of companies that you enjoy yourself. So some popular stocks for students to look at are stocks like Nike, Amazon, Alphabet, Disney, Boeing. You get the idea. There's lots out there. But today we're going to look at Starbucks. Okay, so the first part, when I go back to my worksheet here, you can see that I already filled in the information for Starbucks. So I want you to think of a company. So Starbucks, you could fill in these other boxes with Amazon, just like I said, Nike, several different companies. You want to get the trading symbol. And then you want to indicate whether the stock is traded on the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, or is it traded on NASDAQ? So going back to Yahoo Finance here, Starbucks, the trading symbol is always right after the name of the company. So in this case, the trading symbol for Starbucks is SBUX. So this trading symbol is either going to be a 2, 3, or 4-letter abbreviation for stocks. That's important because you're going to need that when you eventually go into the simulation and buy shares. The stock is currently trading for $77.17 rather a share. Okay, right under the name of the company, it's indicated that Starbucks is traded on NASDAQ. Okay, so when we go back to the worksheet here, you can see I put in Starbucks. I indicated the trading symbol is SBUX, and I indicated that the stock is traded on NASDAQ. If the stock is, if you pick a company like Honda, for example, Honda is not traded on NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange. So you cannot include those because you will not be able to invest in them in the program that we're using. Okay, then the second thing that I'm going to ask you to do is scroll down, and you're going to do some research about the company, and you're going to summarize it. So when I scroll down here, I ask you to pick 5 companies that you've chosen in this chart. And you're going to research the company by reading some news headlines and looking at the history of the company's stock, and write a few paragraphs. So if I go back up here, if you click on historical data, it'll show you the actual numbers. But if I go and I click this chart here, you can see that Starbucks, here's what the stock price has done over the last year. Okay, so it seems to be, looks to be rebounding a bit here. Then when I scroll down here, this is where you will see articles, videos related to either the company itself or the industry. Okay, so there is an article here about Dunkin' Donuts. Okay, so what are they doing to give Starbucks some competition? So read those things, go back, And essentially what you're doing here is you're developing information to make an informed decision as to whether or not you'd like to invest in this company. Okay. So that's it for this help video. Email me if you have any questions. Have a great